My name's Rick. I'm a dubbing mixer in Bristol working for Doghouse Post-Production. I decided to make this film while I was working on a groundbreaking programme called Operation Snow Tiger. It was the first time the BBC had filmed Siberian tigers in the wild. I had this idea that for the few sounds that I was going to have, I wanted them to be the best sounds possible. And I thought it'd be really interesting to try something that no one's ever done before, which is to put a laryngophone, known as a throat mic, onto a tiger. And I found the Isle of Wight Zoo.
My name is Charlotte Corney, and I am the current director of the Isle of Wight Zoo. It's been in my family since the late 1970s, and it's now my responsibility to take it on into the future.
When I arrived at the zoo, I had a discussion with Charlotte, and a combination of her expert handling of the tigers and just the difficulty of getting the collar on and off, we decided it would just be best if she actually physically placed the microphone on the tiger's throat.
Ooh, come on. Aisha, come and lie down. Good girl. Not there, like that. Tigers are vocal animals when they want to be and when they need to be. They can't purr in a conventional way because they have vocal apparatus that allows them to roar. Instead of purring, they shoot air through their nostrils at high speed, and it makes a sound called the pruston, or informally we call it the chuffing. And this is a really lovely, like, hello, I'm friendly, I'm not going to hurt you. So it's also used if they want to dispel tension between individuals.
With Aisha not playing ball, Charlotte went to Xena.
Come on, Xena, good girl, come on. Come and lie down, come on, come and lie down, come on. Come on, come and lie down, come on, good girl. Because I could really feel the vibrations.
Awesome ones right there.
Yeah.
Really nice ones. The most exciting bit, without a shadow of a doubt, was when Charlotte actually got the microphone onto the tiger and I heard the sounds come through, and it was just astonishing. It was amazing. With the recording done, it was time to get back to the studio, and for me it's really important that I build up that sound to give an accurate representation of reality. The footsteps and sniffs, the twig, licks and all those types of things. I thought I'd just show you the layers and the way that I build something up. So if I start it playing on a loop, start off with a bit of background, wind and atmos, footsteps on the bottom, each one of them done individually, and a couple of snorts. So you can hear the licking coming in on that. The best bit for me, which is this really close recording of the tiger, which really kind of puts you there. It just really adds such depth and gravity to the whole moment. The final part is the beautifully composed music by Jean-Marc. It's the reason I love the job, moments like that, where I've helped give these tigers a voice.
It's to do with communicating to the people who come in here and the people, not necessarily that just come and visit the zoo, but we have an audience with externally, to feel something for the tiger, to feel an empathy for them, to get to know them as individuals. What's a good Then there's the far more intense and urgent problem of poaching tigers, particularly for Chinese medicine. We know that the demand is insatiable and it's growing. Our approach is that we don't know until the final hour, so we just keep trying and hoping that with a variety of different approaches to conserving not just tigers but the other animals within their environment, that perhaps we manage to do the unthinkable and we manage to give them a lifeline.